Welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. I'm Maureen, and today we're going to be making strawberry breakfast cake. We're going to be using Amoretti cookies and cream extract, vanilla Madagascar bourbon extract, and lemon extract. Let's get going. We're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to cream our butter with our sugar. Go ahead and scrape the sides down every once in a while. Give it a nice even incorporation. We're going to slow it down and do one egg at a time. A lot of times, to save dishes, because nobody likes doing extra dishes, we have a tendency when we're baking to add our extracts to the eggs and add them at the same time. However, the lemon extract, because lemon is acidic, will actually start to cook the egg. So make sure to keep that one out of the egg mixture. All right. So the remaining ingredients are all of our pre-sifted dry ingredients and our sour cream. Go ahead and do half of the dries, then the sour cream, and then the remaining dries. All right, the final scrape. And we're gonna fold the strawberries in by hand. I have fresh strawberries. If they are not in season or you're not able to get strawberries, frozen strawberries are a perfect ingredient to use. What you're gonna do in that situation is to pull them out the night before, and once they're thawed, put them on top of a paper towel to absorb any excess moisture before you mix them in. I have a 9-inch cake pan, and I've gone ahead and lined it, greased it, and floured it as well. So go ahead and just plop it on in there. You don't need to overthink mixing it. It's all gonna bake up delicious if it's overmixed, undermixed, but you don't wanna damage the strawberries too much. It'll create too much moisture during the baking process. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar right on top, and as it bakes, it's gonna add a beautiful color to the top of it that you wouldn't get without the sugar. And don't worry about pushing down too much. As it bakes, it's gonna fill up the entire pan. So go ahead and do a hefty drizzle. All right, we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees. Check it at about 45 minutes. You know, the toothpick test, it's gonna be a beautiful golden brown. Every oven varies, so 45 to 55 minutes and it's ready to eat. Give your cake a good 15-20 minutes to cool down. That'll allow it to completely cook through. And as you can see, the sugar gives it a nice crackle that you wouldn't be able to achieve without it. You don't have to use a springform pan, but it really uncomplicates getting it out. This strawberry cake would be great for breakfast, great for a tea with your friends, afternoon snack. Pretty much any time is a good time for strawberry cake. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe to our channel and newsletter to keep up with our promos, giveaways, and recipes. See you next time.